Hello, I'm Barbara from ANS Vision Systems, Iconica Minolta company, and today I'm going to show you our dashboard.
So first of all, we have our login page where we can access with our user. We have different levels of access that we will explain later. We are right now entering as a super administrator. It's our main page where we can see the total of vehicles analyzed by our systems and a list of each one with the defects found. In real life, we will be able to update this in real time. If we enter one vehicle, we will then have to choose which system we want to check into. First, we're going to the damage inspector. And in this page, we have an overview of all the parts of the vehicle and how many defects are detected in each part. We will also have the option to export all this data into a PDF. There's also the possibility to download the picture, move the picture, and edit. We have some graphics to help us see how our system is working. This is also configurable. You can choose which graphics you want to see.